Hello students, today we are going to discuss how to solve system of linear inequations using graphs. First of all, we are going to take a few inequations. We have already discussed inequations in previous classes, so we are just going to take few of the inequations. First one I am taking as 2x plus 3y 3y is less than and equal to 6. Then I'm taking another equation over here, that is say x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. And let's take one more, say x is less than or equal to 5. And then last we are taking y less than or equal to 4. Now these are the 4 inequations given to us and we have to solve them graphically. So whenever we have to solve them graphically, first thing which is required is we need to draw their table. If we are not using any of the technology or software, so first we need to draw tables. So all these linear inequations actually, when we are going to represent them graphically, they are going to actually represent a straight line. And to draw a straight line, we require two points. At least 2 points are required. And I would say 2 points are sufficient to represent any of the straight line. So here also we are going to take two set of values for x and y. So here we go, I'll write x over here and y over here. You can choose any value of x or y to make the table, but the most convenient which I feel is one time you can put x as 0. So when I'm going to put x0 over here, so this x multiplied, x will be 0, so 0 will be multiplied by 2, so I'll be left with 3 times y is equals to 6, which is going to give me y as 2. Then other time I'm going to put y as 0. Now when I'll put y as 0 over here, so I'll be left with 2x is equals to 6. So then I'll be left with x is less than 3. So this is table prepared for first inequation, and this is the simplest way to prepare a table. Otherwise you can put any other values, but there can be a lot of calculation required in it. So now I'm going to take few more values for the second inequation and we are going to draw their table. Okay, so here I'm going to write x and x over here and then y down. Now again I am going to use the same trick over here. One time I'm going to put x as 0. So when I'm putting x0 over here, that means 2 times the number is 8, so the number is going to be 4. The number will be 4. Then I'm going to put y0 if I am putting y0 over here, so I'll be left with x is equals to 8 directly. So I'll put 8 over here. So here I go, 8 is over here. Then I'll come to the third inequation and I'm going to make table for them. Right now we are not considering this less than sign. We are making table only for equal to sign, and this inequation sign is going to represent the entire region, which will be the solution region for this inequation. Okay, now again I'll write x over here and then y down. Now over here it's given x is less than equal to 5. X is 5. In any of the cases, for any value of y, x is 5. So I'll put x5 directly, and then you can put any value for y. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 10. It depends on the size of your graph paper. So I'll just take 0 and 1. Then I'll come to the fourth inequation, and now I'm going to draw a table for it. Okay, then another one. Okay, now I'll write x over here, then I'm going to write y over here. Now this time y is 4. Y is 4, so I'll just write y4 straight away. I'll just write 4 straight away, and I can put any value for x. So I'm going to put, say, 0 over here and then 1 over here. So this is the first phase of solving system of linear inequations using graphs. So first we are going to prepare table. Now we are going to plot it on graph paper.